So checking the voltage of the batteries. So the 2 is giving 18.27 instead of 1 giving 18 points. So now let's check the new batteries too. So one supposed to be 12.77. So let's check the 2. So let's check the 2. Let's see what are we getting. So this one we're getting 25.46, and this one we're getting 18 points. Okay. So this one. Smart UPS power.
How many so far? 5. 11 more to go.
Hello, my name is Michael from SMS Tech Systems. Today we are going to learn how to change UPS battery. UPS APC Smart C1000 battery.
So now before we check, we first need to check the voltage of the batteries. So first we are checking the voltage of this battery, which is supposed to be 23 DC volts, but we are having 17 DC volts. So we are changing these batteries to a new UPS batteries. Each of these UPS takes 2 batteries. Each of these smart UPS takes 2 batteries. These are one of the most powerful APC UPSs that we have in the market. So watch out for the next video that will show you how to replace the batteries.
Tech Systems. So today we are going to show you how to replace APC UPS batteries. These UPS are actually new, but the batteries are having issues, so we need to replace them with good new batteries. So now this is APC 1000 VA Smart UPS, and as you can see, these are the batteries that comes with it. These are meter for testing each of the batteries. So now this is the UPS. These are the UPSs. So we are going to replace each batteries. Each of these UPS take 2 batteries. So we are going to fix 2 batteries each on them.